Hello and welcome to another update on Solana. I'm here on the shorter time frame for Sol, and we can see that the market hasn't really done much today. We're moving between support and resistance. Today there has been a test of our micro support area. I talked about that in the last video. I haven't changed it, haven't touched that support area today. It's between $219.75 and $227. Still tracking this move to the upside as a possible B-wave rally, so a corrective rally, which reminds us that if we break below support at $219.75, which I see as a critical pivot in this structure to the upside, well, in that case, we might see the market dip back into our lower support area. That risk is real. It aligns very well with what Bitcoin is doing, and we've been talking about that on the Solana chart for the last few weeks, and expected also a B-wave rally of this magnitude since end of September. It developed nicely. Solana has moved up from the low all the way up here, roughly 23% since we called it an oversold asset, on the 4-hour chart. The chart was oversold, basically on the 4-hour. So, and we landed in support, in our support area. But it's a corrective rally so far. That can turn into something more bullish. As long as support is holding, there is no reason to be bearish. Very simple. Why? Because we're printing higher highs and we're printing higher lows. Okay, so the trend is clearly up on the shorter time frame, on the larger time frame, by the way, as well. But in this video, I just want to focus on the smaller time frame. We talked about the larger time frame earlier today. Now, if we break below micro support, it is a first signal that a top of sorts has formed. For now, this move to the upside is a rally that could easily be a B-wave. Looking at the context, we have a 5-wave decline, we have a 3-wave move up. And that is, from an Elliott wave point of view, an indication we might see a C-wave decline. That will surely depend to a degree on Bitcoin as well. But overall, there is no sign of a top yet. So that's why I always say, we can have a full wave count, for example, in this B wave, but that doesn't mean we have topped. Okay, absolutely not, because the trend is still up. And also price behavior up here, at the moment at least, rather would indicate that we might have a more substantial low in place, or at least that we could get another high. And why is that the case? Because in the orange scenario, which is, as you can see, the more bullish roadmap, in which we're tracking a 1-2-1-2 setup and a third wave, we could get another sequence of higher highs. Basically, the Elliott waves tell us which support levels to use and which support levels need to hold to keep the directly bullish scenario alive. And that's the orange scenario, and it holds. And the support holds, and what I highlighted earlier today is we might see this wave 4 play out over the weekend. Now the price formed a new local high, but got rejected again at the same FIB level at $235 that we got rejected already on Thursday. So we can treat this as an A, B, C structure possibly developing over the weekend, maybe as a so-called expanded flat structure, maybe even a triangle could unfold over the weekend. That would be potentially even more bullish. For me, it's just important that it's clear that as long as we're holding $219.75, the orange count has a chance. And this is the zone to watch for the weekend. Further resistances above are between $239 and $245. If anything changes, I will, of course, let you know. So yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you like the daily analysis, make sure that you also check out our membership options on our channel page. You can find a short trailer video that explains the member benefits for you guys. For example, member videos. Today I uploaded BNB, pushed to new highs again today. Probably not done yet. Say currently in a setup for higher prices, a pullback setup potentially. So you get a lot of additional updates of coins that I normally don't cover on YouTube. Plus, as a gold member, you also get access to our Discord server and lots of additional benefits there. You can ask questions. I often address these in videos. You can attend our live streams. There are additional bonus updates for many, many coins, but also gold, silver. They are doing well at the moment and much more. So check it out if you're interested. See you there. Bye-bye.